Alright, good morning. This is Todd Mitchell. It's Tuesday, the 11th of August, and trading bonds this morning. S&P's just opened up, looking to potentially take a trade there, but before the S&P's opened up, took a long trade right in here. Took one off. We locked in $125, and we've got only one contract left. So, let's see. Market has run up. We bought this at 158.08. Market's run up to 158.17 and back down to 14. So I need to lock in some profits here because the S&Ps looks like, look at this, the S&Ps are rallying, so that means the bonds are probably going to move lower. So I am going to look to just take this profit here at 14. I've got a sell order in at 158.22, which is a retest of yesterday's high. This is the overnight high that you're seeing right here. That's the overnight high, 58.17. I should have known there was going to be a reaction at the overnight high. I didn't really come in prepared, quite frankly. But yes, I expect some type of reaction at 17. But yesterday's high was 22 even, and I'm expecting a reaction off there. So I am, let's see, looking to take some profits. S&Ps, I should have been buying the S&Ps. We're getting a rally there. Let's go ahead and take profits off. See if we can get lucky at 16. Okay, we're at 16 now. So look at, you know what? Let's scratch that. Let's go have our sell stop at 12. Have a sell stop at 12. Look at this. And you know what? Let's just be done with this one right here. 14, 15. See if we can get filled at 15. Right there, 15. Okay, out. So look, we locked in $343. Let's take a look at the S&Ps now. So again, the 30-year T-bond futures start off with two contracts right here. Okay, and took one off here and one off here, and two contracts. I mean, it adds up $343.75. Remember, each tick is worth $31.25. So if you've got two contracts, each increment is worth $62.50 each tick. Alright, so let's take a look at the S&Ps now. Alright, look, we're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500. We had a big gap lower, as you can see. So we're closed, opened up. If I was looking at this, I would have been looking to be a buyer here. I would have been looking for the market to move up here. So remember, it's all about trade location, right? So if I'm chasing the market here, a logical stop's got to be below the low of the day, so I think we're risking a little much here. And I don't want to go ahead and chase the market. Instead, we need to wait patiently. So let me I'll be back so shortly. Alright, so I am back, and I got long the S&Ps. Market pulled back. Remember, I didn't chase it. Market ran up to here. Market pulled back. Ended up getting, as soon as it took out this high, got in on a small little pullback right in here. I'm looking for the market to run up a bit higher. Meanwhile, I'm going to place my stop below 82 3/4 is my sell stop. That's what I'm risking. 82 3/4 on this trade. 82 3/4 is right there. Put that right there where the white horizontal line is, as you can see that. Let's see if we were able to move a bit higher. 82 3/4. So we're risking 2 points on this trade. From here to here. If the market takes out this low, I'd want to reevaluate it. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, looks like we're going to get stopped out on the S&Ps here. Let's see what happens. Getting real close to it. Sell stops at 2,082 3/4. We're at 83 3/4. Came down to 83 1/4. So if we lose on this, we'll take about lose $200 in the S&Ps, but we're up $340 some odd in the bonds. So still a little ahead. We're at $150 for the day. If we get stopped out here, it looks like we want to move lower. Here we go. We're going to get stopped right. And I was trying to go long the bonds, and I missed that on the pullback, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so we stopped out here.
Order filled.
All right, so we lost 200 in the S&Ps here, And let's flip it back to the bonds, and I'll show you exactly where I was trying to buy it, and I missed it. All right, so here we are in the bonds. We took the profits. We made $343 on this trade, and I was trying to buy it here on the 38.2% retracement, which also happened to be a daily R2 number, daily pivot number. We broke through that pivot number. We came back to it precisely, so I waited for the market to hit it, and then as soon as it moved one tick up off it, I placed my limit order, and it never looked back. It's right back up to test the high of the day. So pretty bummed here, so I missed this trade. You snooze, you lose. Should have been long at 08 or at 16. I'd have another 8 ticks in the bonds while taking a small loss in the S&Ps. So again, made 343 in the bonds and lost 200 in the S&Ps. So we're up $143 today only, but market just opened. So hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.